So, this is my 1988 Cannondale mountain bike frame. Tore it down and I'm sanding it, almost near completed. Still have a few areas that are troublesome, but it's just a little elbow grease to take care of the job. I'm using 400 grit wet dry sandpaper, and it's a tedious process, but to get it done right, it's all in the prep. If you don't do the prep, the paint won't turn out good. So anyways, you can see my other project that's completed right there. That's the giant mountain bike, giant road bike I just finished, and I'm pretty tickled about that. Paint came out well, but did a lot of prep on it, so I think that's the reason why the paint came out so well. Finally got the decal stickers to come in from Bulgaria or something like that. Took a couple months to find the right decal stickers I wanted to use. Color, I wanted them to just kind of barely be seen against the paint, kind of a stealth look to it. Anyways, I'll come back after I finish sanded this and talk about the paint project. I'm going to do what Martin Gray does as what he calls the hydro dip paint with enamel paints, thinning it down with paint thinner to a milky viscosity. Alright, so we'll come back then.